Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to track applications that track the resources that used by applications, some other some systems on your PC, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is right click on your taskbar. You can find the taskbar here at the bottom edge here. So simply right click on it and you can find the task manager. Simply click on it and I'm going to explain this section here. So currently you can see OBS Studio is working right now in the background of my PC that is recording my video. So for example, you have opened Google Chrome or something right now. For example, if I open for example anything, for example the Edge, Microsoft Edge. So here you can see it has just catch Microsoft Edge and the uses also from here. So you can find the CPU uses that OBS is, for example, we are going to observe OBS Studio, how much CPU it is observing, how much memory it is capturing, how much disk is used, our network has been used here. So you can see like this, and just because of OBS Studio is offline application, that's why it's not using any type of network, or it's not currently saving any data to our file. So here you can see sometimes it has saving some changes, that's why dance you can follow. So here you can see some OBS recorder is going with the CPU, that is 0.9% it is using, and they are using 238.6 MB of my memory, that is actually the RAM. Also you can find the performance from here, where you can find the total GPU dance, that is the rendering here, how it's working, how its uses going. Here you can see it is used most here in this point, then got down and again start used, and again you can find up and down, a fall and up here. So that's mean now right now the video encode is currently using from our GPU here. It's actually the GPU. So video encode is working because the video is recording right now. So that's how you can just easily observe everything, and you can get all the details about the resource used by the application. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.